Day 12. Welcome to Day 12, sister, as we focus on discerning the cause that deeply burdens your heart. When asking God to show us our next step in ministry, one way to do it is to pay attention to the issues or problems that stir something up within us. When we encounter these issues, whether on the news or in a conversation or within our communities, these particular issues that are burdens to us, they leave us feeling upset, tearful, and deeply bothered. These burdens can be a sign that God is calling us to address this specific issue. Have you ever found yourself saying to someone really needs to do something about this because this is not okay? If so, that might be God placing a burden on your heart for that cause. It is not a coincidence. It's a divine nudge, urging you to take action. When we identify a problem that burdens us deeply, it can be pointing to an area where our unique gifts and experiences can make a significant impact. Taking time to explore if there's a problem in society that we see and realizing that we have a unique gift that can help address that issue can lead us to our next step in ministry. In Nehemiah 1, verse 4, Nehemiah hears about the broken walls of Jerusalem and is deeply troubled. The scripture says, "When I heard these things, I sat down and wept. For some days I mourned and fasted and prayed before the God of heaven." Nehemiah's burden for his city led him to take action and eventually rebuild the wall of Jerusalem. His deep concern and sorrow were signs that God was calling him to address the issue. Think about what stirs your heart. Is it the plight of homelessness, abuse of children, environmental destruction, or perhaps the fight against human trafficking? There are a number of different issues to choose from, but I want you to think about what deeply burdens you. And these emotional responses typically point us to our divine assignments. Imagine your heart as a compass, with the burdens you feel serving as the needle pointing towards your true north. These emotional responses are not just fleeting feelings. These are indicators of where God might be leading you. By following the divine compass, you can find your next step in ministry. As we prepare to reflect on how God is speaking to you through this devotional, I would like for you to reflect on the following questions and place your answers in your journal. What issues or problems deeply burden your heart, causing you to feel upset or driven to action? Second question, how do your unique gifts and experiences position you to address these issues effectively? Now, as we prepare to end our time together today, I invite you to confess this proclamation of faith over yourself. My heart is open to God's direction. The burdens I feel are divine nudges guiding me towards my purpose. One more time. My heart is open to God's direction. The burdens I feel are divine nudges guiding me towards my purpose. That is it for our time together today, sister. But once again, I encourage you to visit Chapter 3 of the Sister Start Your Ministry workbook. We have a whole section dedicated to helping you put deep thought into the cause that burdens you. But until we meet again tomorrow, you stay blessed, you stay encouraged, you stay bold, you continue to seek God's face and answer that call, sister, to ministry.
Hey sis, I hope you were encouraged by today's message. And if you were, I'm inviting you to take your next step of faith by downloading my free Ministry Launch Starter Kit that's going to help you not only start, but grow your ministry. You can get this kit at sisterstartyourministry.com. Again, that is sisterstartyourministry.com.